Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see percentage of a number, right? Percentage of a number means percentage into number divided by 100. Let me tell something here. Let me erase this. Okay. Now we'll see general formula to convert percentage of a number, or we can calculate a number for percent also. Means suppose assume I got 20 marks for 80 marks, right? This is my total marks, total one side. What I am getting, that is one side. I got 20 out of 80. I am telling you how much percent I score. Then what I am asking means for total marks, total 100 marks, how much I am scoring. This is the question, right? I scored 20 marks for 80. How much can I score for 100? Means total 100, how much I am scoring. So basically cross multiplication. Please do remember cross multiplication. This will help so many times, right? Means I am getting 20 for 80. How much should I get for 100? This means multiply these two. 20 into 100. This 20 into 100 divided by 80 means these two and these two, means this will remain here question mark. Let me take question mark as x. Then I will write x equal to 20 into 100 by 80, which gives 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 4s are, which means 20 1s are 24s are, 4 1s are 4, 25s are, means 25% I am getting. This is one thing. Okay, let me ask something here. I am getting 25 marks per 100. How much I will get for 80? So as I told, I will take this as x only. How many marks I will get for 80? I am getting 25 for 100. How many I will get for 80? So total one side, what I am getting, that is one side. So what I told, just cross multiply, means 100 into x. These two multiplication would be equal to these two multiplication, 25 into 80. Okay, then here x will remain here only. Then 25 into 80 divided by 100. This is x value. As I told, 25 into 80 divided by 100. How much I will get here? 25 ones are 25 fours are, 4 ones are 4 20s are. Means I am getting 20 for 80. This is the funda, basic funda. See, 20 for 80, 25 for 100. Here also 20 for 80, 25 for 100. Same, right? So basically remain this, please remember this thing. How much I am getting, how much total is there, how much should I get, so for how much, like that. Okay, here they are asking 25% of 80. 25% of 80, it means they are getting 25 for 100. How much they will get for 80? This is the question, right? Then 25 into 80, which is equal to 100 into x, which means 25 into 80 divided by 100. This is the thing, right? That's why here see, percentage into number divided by 100. This is the 25%, this is the number, this is the 100. That's how the formula formulated. Okay, this gives us 25 ones are 25 fours are, 4 ones are 4 20s are, which gives us 20. That's it. Means for 80 we are getting 20. See, that's it. 40% of 250. 40% of 250 means they are getting 40 for 100. For 250, how much will they get? Means cross multiply and equate, just 40 into 250, which must be equal to 100 into x, 100 into x, that's it, which gives us 40 into 250. This is how much? 40 into 250. This 100 will come in denominator, right? which gives us x. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 25 4, so which is 100 only. So x is 100, means they are getting 40 for 100, they will get 100 for 250. See here, this is 100, right? That's it. Okay, let me tell something you might have confused, like conversions. Okay, conversion means, let me take a plus b. If I send this b, it will go as minus b. Just for time being, please remember this. I will make a separate video for this. A minus b, if I send minus b that side, it will become plus b. A into b, if I send into to right side, it will become divide. That's how, like if division to right side, it becomes multiply. Just remember, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, division becomes multiplication, multiplication becomes division. Means supposing a into b equal to c. If I send this b, what it will become? C. It is in the form of into b. Into means it will become division. So a equal to this into becomes division. So c by b. These are some conversions. I will make a separate video on that. Please try to remember for the time being. Okay. Let's continue. 50% of 60. 15% of 60 means 15 for 100. How much for 60? That's it. Cross multiply, equate. 15 into 60 equal to 100x, which gives, this is into, right? So it comes to denominator. It is in multiplication, so it comes as division. That's it. 50 into 60 divided by 100, which gives x. 0, 0 cancel. So 15 6 gives 15 6 5 are 30, 90. 15 6 are 90 by 10, which gives us 9. So x value is 9. Here you can see x is 9. That's it. 12.5% of 12.5% of 64. 12.5% of 64, right? Means 12.5 for 100. How much? For 64. That's it. Cross multiply and equate. 12.5 into 64, which is equal to 100 into x. As I told, it is in multiplication, so take it to left side, which becomes division. Means 12.5 into 64 divided by 100, right? This is called x. This is the value of x. Please compute it. Means this 0 0, just take left side the decimal point, which becomes 0.125 into 64. As I told in the previous videos, division means decimal goes left side, multiplication means right side. That's it. Okay, this is called x. Just multiply 0.125 into 64. How much will you get? Check it. You will get it as 8. Okay, once you can multiply and check it. 5% of 300. 5% of 300 means 5 for 100. How much for 300? Okay, which gives 5 into 300, which is equal to 100 into x. 100 into x or x into 100, both are same. So I'll take this part, which becomes 5 into 300 divided by 100 equal to x. 0 0 0 0 cancel, which gives us x equal to 15, right? 3 into 5, 15. So it is 15. And here are some practice questions and here are some homework questions. Let's do these practice questions. Okay, 30% of 200. 30% of 200 means 30 for 100. How much for 200? Right? 30 into 200, these two, which is 100 into x. That's it. Then basically x remains here, 100 comes here, 30 into 200 divided by 100, 0 0 cancel, 32 is 60. That's it. So 30% of 200 is 60. This is 60. 15% of 80. 15% of 80. Right? Means 15 for 100. How much for 80? Cross multiply 15 into 80 divided by 100, which is gives x. Directly I am writing this equal to these two multiplication divided by this one. If you practice, you will automatically came to know what I am writing. Okay, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 15 8 is 120 divided by 10, which gives us 0 0 cancel, 12. So this is 12. 15% of 80 is 12. 25% of 120 percent of 120, which is actually 25 for 100. How much for 120? Cross multiply 25 into 120 divided by 100, which is equal to x. 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 30s are, which gives us 30. So basically 25% of 120 means 30. 40% of 350. 40% of 350, which is 40 for 100. How much for 350? Please try to solve on your own, then pause the video and see the answers later. 40 into 350 divided by 100, which gives x. See here, 1 0 1 0, here 2 0 cancel, 35 4s are 140. So 40% of 350 is 140. Okay, this is 140. Okay, then similar 12.5, calculate it, and these are some homework questions. Please try to solve, and let me solve these 3 questions as I am not able to cover in the previous videos. These are means some connection to the fraction part, where is mixed fraction and percentage. Let me copy these questions. 33 1/3% means, let me solve these type. First convert to normal fractions, means multiply these two, add this one, then it will become a normal fraction, means it converts to improper fraction. 33 3s are 99 plus 1 divided by 3. Basically 33 1/3 means 33 into 3 plus 1. 33 into 3 plus 1 by 3. It basically means this. So 33 3s are 99 plus 1 divided by 3, which means 100/3%. 100/3% means basically we will just remove percent, and 100/3 into 1/100 means percent means 100, right? 100 cancels, which means 1/3. Like this it comes. Just converting to improper fraction and solve it. And please try to solve those questions and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see in next video. Thank you.